Hi guys, it's me again, Regina from Regina's World. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new video. So guys, I'm gonna show you sample pack that I bought from, my husband bought from Iherb.com. So you can check the link, iherb.com, and also the code, which is 5 to 15% if you use our code, which is MAT300. So this is the Korean beauty that I bought. This is only 700 plus guys for all of the stuff inside. So I'm gonna show you what's inside of it. So there's a lot inside guys. So here it says Love Letter K Beauty. But this sample pack has different kinds of blend in it. Mostly it's Korean. This is the Ecology Bright Tomorrow Renewing Mask Pack. Song of the Island, sabi. So, I'm gonna try this, guys. I'm gonna show you in my different vlog about this. And also, this NMF Extensive Hydrating. So, it's a mask again, and it's hydrating, tightening, and refining mask. They also have a pore purifying spirulina and tea tree clay mask. And also, they also have a apothy hair Korean ginseng. So you put this in your hair at night or in the morning. So I haven't opened this yet. This one, it's all-in-one egg mellow cream. So I already tried this guys twice already and I didn't have any breakout or anything else, but too cold for school, London, New York. So this is 5-in-1 firming moisturizer, soy hydrant, parang French yun. So it's very nice because it's a egg mask. You don't need to beat your egg at home. So once again, this is just a sample pack. So this is smaller than the regular size. We also have Real Sika Micellar Cleansing Foam. So this one I already used. Twice already. So you just scrub it in your face. It's very mild. It doesn't burn and I don't have any breakouts since I used it like twice already. So I'm gonna show also how to use this guys in my different vlog. This one is Power 10 Formula GF Effector with GF Mixture Skin Safety Tested 10. It's skin. It's so cute. So you just have like 3 drops on it in your face and massage it. It's not oily. It's just what do you call that? It's just so soft in your face and I really like it. I also use this for my husband for the wrinkles and all. And it seems good. We already used it twice. And this one, last one is Press Serum. Tundra Changa for ultimate nutrition and firming. So this is like for wrinkles. So it seems like my wrinkles is going away a little bit. So I'm happy about it. So I'm gonna make a separate vlog, skincare and how I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna show you guys. So that's all for the cake pack that I bought from Iherb. And shout out to my husband. Thank you. I really wanted to try these Korean products. So I'm gonna try their, actually they have like 10 skincare during the night. Like first they wash it with exfoliant and they have toner, they have moisturizer. It's like 10 of them. They have this Korean essence that they call, and that's what I'm gonna show you today, how to make your essence at home. So first guys, we need to have a aloe vera gel. So this is our aloe vera gel and you can buy this from Iherb also. You can use any of your oil that you like, but I like my coconut oil or organic virgin coconut oil. This one you can just buy from Landers. And also our vegetable glycerin. This is from Iherb guys. And also, we also need a essential oil. So the essential oil that I'm gonna use is this. Okay, so this is a certified organic and 100% pure tea tree. So this is a tea tree. So now we're gonna start making it. So I have a container here. This is from the Vaseline container that I have, and I don't have a spare container for like this smaller. But I'm gonna use this. This is clean. I clean it already. So first we're gonna put the aloe vera. Maybe a couple of drops of aloe vera. And then we're gonna use the oil, coconut oil. You can use lavender oil, jojoba oil, anything that you like for oil. And then we're gonna use the greasy, not a lot of it, and also the drops of tea tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's enough. So, and then we're gonna shake. We're gonna mix it, guys. Seems nice. So, it's really aloe vera. I'm gonna add more oil in it. Okay, now we have a Korean essence. I'm gonna try it next thing, guys. Oh, later. I will do it later. So next is we're gonna make our own DIY toner. So I already made this before. I used this for my skin. So what we need for the toner is apple cider vinegar and just water. So I'm gonna put the water here. Put it down. So just about, depends how much water you're gonna make and how much vinegar you're gonna put. So there it is, guys. Some people use just pure vinegar, pure apple cider vinegar on their faces. So just shake it a little bit like that, and we have a toner. There it is. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna show you both of this, the Korean essence and also the toner. So I'm gonna use the toner first. So I have a cotton ball, so I'm just gonna dip it in the mixture. You can smell the apple cider, which is also strong. I tried it before, but I stopped a while ago. But now I'm gonna use it again because I want to try the Korean, what do you call this? Skincare, even though it's just a DIY. Some of my stuff. So I don't have eye mask yet, so I'm gonna look into it, how to make DIY. Okay, now it's just let it set for a while. And then we're gonna try this. So let's just put it inside this. So actually this is just usually aloe vera, which is good to our skin. It does not the tea tree essential oil. We can put a lot of tea tree. very nice. Aloe vera is also good for our skin. It's really hydrating and make your skin smooth and soft. So that is our DIY toner and also the DIY Korean essence. So guys, hope you enjoy and learn from my tutorial today about skincare, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye guys!